Hi, here's a quick tip for better working in AutoCAD. We have a feature called Mandrei diameter. We have this one here under the Mandrei data. Well, there can be a question, what does it do? Basically, what it means is a bending radius. The naming can be a little bit confusing, but I'll show you what can you do with it. First, let's make a stirrup. Number of stirrups is 1. The diameter is 10. And now let's create it. Okay. Let's modify it. And let's find the Mandrei diameter. Here we have a default value, which is 4. Now this value is coming from the selected standards, which can be changed in the customize menu up here and under the standards, which is in Italian called Mandrini. Here, as you can see in the drop-down menu, we have a lot of options to choose from. For example, we have the NBR, which is the Brazilian normas, the ACI, which is the American Concrete Institute, or the BS, the British standards. And of course, we have the ISO standard, which is our standards here in Europe. Let's go back to the modification panel for this stirrup. As you can see, if I click on this field, right now it's grayed out, which means that you cannot change this value. But we have a tick box as well. If you check this box, you will be able to change this value for whatever you want. I will increase it to 6. Press enter, and you can see that this bending, or more precisely the radius of it, has just increased. Let's increase it a little bit more. Let's say 12. And now it's a lot more like an oval shape. Let's untick this box and it goes back to the standards default value. So if you do not have any specific wishes for the bending radius, just let it unticked and the standards will take care for you. So this was a quick tip for you engineers out there working with AutoCAD. Have a nice day.